All right, let's take a look and see what we got going here. Ooh, that's looking pretty nice. I put the amazing smoke tube in the pellet smoker because there was a ton of smoke coming out of it, so I pulled that out. Man, that's looking pretty damn good. All right, I'll pull this off after a little bit. I'll check the temperature here pretty quick. So yeah, maybe this rotisserie thing is a good idea, eh? All right, peace. All right, one last look at this chicken before we take it off. Let's see what the finished results are. Oh my goodness. That's looking pretty good. Yeah, that is all right. I'm gonna pull this off and have dinner. Peace.